What's good, y'all? James Hicks here, Hicks New Media. It is, who cares what day it is? I am fresh back from vacation. One vacation turned into three, long story, a lot of days, a lot of travel issues, but I'll tell you about that later on the channel. I normally don't do unboxings, right? But came home and there was a gang of gear here. And shouts out to everyone that sent some stuff. I got to do reviews on it. I got to do some interviews and things of that nature. I got to do some posts on the site. But I think I'm gonna start getting back into doing unboxing and reveals and things of that nature as it relates to some of the tech that I'm getting from the companies that I'm working with. So out of all the boxes that I got to start with this one, because this one is from my guy. Shouts out to Josh Strebel. Shouts out to Sally Strebel, right? The founders of Pagely, who I use to host both hicksnewmedia.com and infotainmentnews.net. They are the premium WordPress hosting platform of choice. They're now a part of the overall GoDaddy organization. So congratulations to them on that consolidation and on that partnership. But look, I had gear from Pagely from day zero with original logos, original fonts, all that, original colors and everything. Strebel hit me up when I was on vacation and said, I'm gonna send you some new swaggy swag. So I'm opening it up for the first time with y'all. Check it out. Let's see what we got here. Big old box too. Okay. You can't miss it. Shouts out Pagely right there. Was that fuchsia? Okay, right. WP enthusiast, WordPress enthusiast. Love it. All right, got a little trucker hat action jumping off. I'm gonna get that to my wife. She'll love that. She'll rock that. Sorry if it's out of focus, y'all. I'm rocking the cinematic mode on the iPhone. If you're gonna shoot video, look, I'm a videographer. I gotta shoot in cinematic mode. All right, dope trucker hat. Love it. This thing is packed to This is cool. Some little enthusiastic shirts. I'm calling it enthusiastic. So it's got the Pagely logo. It's got some other IT, Wi-Fi, IT focused icons on the shirt. That's dope. Take it out of the bag here. Hopefully it's short sleeve. Well, yeah, because they're in Phoenix, so they know about the heat, and they know I'm in California. So yeah, short sleeve. That's dope. Look at that. That's ready for summertime. I'm gonna wear this. Y'all, you better recognize. I'm gonna wear this. Got one in white. I might wear this one this weekend. Yeah. Oh, okay. I like the dope Pagely right across the little pocket area too. Yeah, I like that. That's clean. I'm loving this right here. Your boy is gonna be swagged out for the summertime, but we not done. Let me see what we got here. Oh my goodness, the new hood. Strebel. Come on now. Y'all know how, hold on, y'all, this is dope. Man, okay, loving the color scheme, this pink fuchsia, whatever it is. Hold on, okay, this is a bad thing with the cinematic mode, but it says Pagely, expect extraordinary, hoodie for influencer marketing purposes. That's dope. And with the Pagely written down the sleeve here, that's smooth. We not done yet. Oh my God. Look at this, new t-shirt. Dope. Pagely influencer, yes sir. With the logo. Come on, man. No detail is left untouched here when it comes to them. I know this was all Sally's doing, right? Because she's definitely got that eye for everything marketing, for everything business. Oh, bruh, I still got some of the original Pressnomics and the original Pagely moleskin journals. This is cool. See, again, attention to detail with the color scheme, with the little tab right here for the pen, with the little divider. That's what I'm talking about. That's why Pagely is the managed hosting. I gotta get it all right, right? Is the managed hosting service for WordPress. Yes, man, that's it. But man, let me tell you something. Shouts out to the Pagely team. If you do not know who they are, you need to know. If you're looking for a premium WordPress hosting facility and platform, check out pagely.com. Again, they're integrated now with GoDaddy, so they've got the full force and full capabilities of that larger organization, working with their dynamic team, putting out some good stuff. Again, I've used them for over a decade for both HicksNewMedia.com and for Infotainment News, some other sites that I had too as well, but all of my WordPress sites are on Pagely. So man, this is a dope swag bag. Appreciate y'all. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna keep supporting you. I love y'all. God bless.